Prinfab is a roll-to-roll textile printer. We print using textile pigment ink and dye sublimation. We supply thousands of individuals and small businesses across the world with printed fabric. The company prints on a wide range of natural fibre and synthetic fabrics that are used for a wide range of purposes, including homeware, fashion, items such as tea towels, aprons, to clothing, including swimsuits, scarves, dresses, really anything that's using textiles. The quality of the prints and the consistency of the quality of the prints is of paramount importance to our particular business. We only have to get it wrong once and we lose a customer. Our whole business is built on repeat custom, so unless the quality is there, we don't have a business. The business has grown exponentially year on year since we launched in 2016. By the end of 2020, we were running a fleet of about 10 direct textile pigment and dye sublimation printers. We had already moved 3 times and realised that in order for the business to scale, we're going to have to start using larger industrial machines. So that's exactly what we did. So the Epson Monna Lisa really stood out in the market. The print quality really is next level. The combination of the machine itself with the Genesta pigment inks offered a level of print that we didn't see anywhere else. That combined with the workflow of the ML-8000, it was a perfect fit for our very fast-paced print-on-demand business. By manufacturing in the UK, you have an oversight of the whole production process and far greater sort of openness and transparency with the supply chain. As a company, we audit our supply chains, we know exactly where our fabrics come from, and we're using state-of-the-art printers to produce this fabric. This is quality that we haven't seen from overseas manufacturers. Offering a textile print-on-demand service with no minimum and commercially viable pricing has created a whole new world of commercial opportunity for individuals and small businesses. For the first time, the print technology has enabled that to be a thing. So someone can start printing their own fabric. They only have to print 1 metre and they can start a business from that. They can design a dress, they can design an apron, and if it sells, they can order more. If it doesn't, they haven't lost a great deal. So by making commercial grade fabric printing accessible to anyone, it's creating a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurial, creative people.